So I've just gone from, just gone to, on our way to IKEA in Mall of Asia. Today we are shopping for the new condo at Baywatch Tower in Malate. It's very old-fashioned there. It's an oldish building, one of the first condos built there many years ago. I think it's about 25 years ago. But I'm going to update the kitchen. Although I'm renting, I see it as a potential Airbnb, as I got a long contract on it and can keep renewing. So I'm going to redo the kitchen for them. So today we just popped to IKEA we're walking around in circles. We're lost. Are we lost already? Okay. So we're going to go have a look at IKEA at kitchen doors and see if we can upgrade the doors. We'll just see what they got to offer. So I'll take you guys with me. So if you're moving here and you're coming to an unfurnished condo, then obviously IKEA is a great option for you. And all in one place. Yeah.
Quickie.
Mr. what?
Mr. Quickie. Is it Mr. Quickie?
Why are you telling me that? Why are you telling me that?
Because I'm Miss Quickie.
Miss Quickie? Okay. You just told the whole of YouTube that. Go Quickie now? I thought we'd go shopping. Okay. Sorry about that. Only in the Philippines. Do you know where we're going? I've been here before, but I can't remember where the entrance is.
IKEA.
Yeah? Oh yeah, we're here. So yeah, we're at IKEA. Last time I came here was just over a year ago, 13, 14 months ago. And it cost me an absolute fortune. Let's hope today is not the same. In fact, to be honest, I probably won't buy the doors today. I mean, I have all the measurements. But I just want to see what they've got. Because over here there's some great chippies, great carpenters that can just build you whatever you want. And I'll be honest with you, I'd rather give them the money than to spend it in a place like IKEA. So, subject to price, if it can be built cheaper than I can be bought, then I'll give it to, I know a couple of chippies that build to order. So I will compare. I'll just get prices and ideas today and then send to carpenters, Filipino carpenters that can maybe produce for us. We'll see. Right, straight to the kitchen area, yeah? Diba?
IKEA is Swedish.
It is Swedish, yeah. Oh my God, I never thought of that. Your ex is Swedish.
Oh.
Did he? Your ex work here?
In Sweden.
What, making IKEA furniture? Okay. You tell me that now we're here?
Quality control.
Quality control, okay. So if the kitchen door falls off, I phone your ex-boyfriend, yeah? Diba?
Going to be retired.
Where are we going? I've lost already. Although I've been here. Right. Showroom. Kitchens. So this is a huge store. It's the biggest in the Philippines. I don't even have to have any more, to be honest, but I know a lot of people just order online. And let's see if it's as efficient as I remember compared with UK stores. So today I'm going to get some prices. We'll get some prices and ideas. See what kitchen we like, yeah? Diba?
My slippers.
You got your new slippers? They comfy?
Yes.
I can't walk on mine. I give up already. I just wear them to the pool. Okay, showroom, yeah? Kitchen showroom.
Show me.
Show me. So we're heading to the showroom, the kitchen showroom. I'm really worried that Angela will spot many things that she likes on the way to the kitchen showroom and stuff that we need. Yeah, stop looking at the cushions. You're looking at the cushions already. What is it?
For the feather?
See, you buy already?
For
Oh, to get rid of the cat fur?
do you
Dog
have
fur?
this?
No. You want to get one?
You said you have roller for the floor.
I don't know. Just if you need
What
one.
you have?
If you need, I don't know. No, just get one. Come on.
30.
30 pesos. Get two.
Lint. Is it lint for the floor?
Don't know, isn't it?
Lint.
Yeah.
lint.
That means that you run it up and down your clothes to get off cat fur and stuff. So it's perfect. 30 peso. The shopping has started. The shopping has started. I'm surprised you didn't get a basket or a trolley. I'm very surprised. Many kitchen stuff you're going to want here, I know. Cushions, you're going to be looking at everything. Okay, this could be a long video. Right, kitchen. Let's do what we need to do. Oh my God, Nicole. Look. Teddy bear store.
Makain muna tayo. Asan pa yung showroom na iba?
Doon pa sa loob. Yung pinapit talaga bang doon. Paano kayo? Dulo ka.
Ulo.
Paikot po yan, paikot.
Maybe I have something to eat over here. Might as well get a basket if you need the entrance. Good.
I thought it's bakta.
Kitchen.
Coffee maker.
Ah, it's the same, isn't it? Same as the blue one, yeah. It will be. Here, look. You've gone past black units already, look. Are these black? You don't have any colour. They're black. That's what you want, yeah? And we want the... Babe. So look, you just... You open like that?
Or display.
You like these?
Or display.
Are we going to be that lucky we come straight to what we want? Look. You just go.
Yes, I know.
Do you like these? How much? So we're having the kitchen white marble surfaces and black units. And the first kitchen we come across has got black units. Yeah, I mean, we could have this on the left.
Wow.
What is this? For storage?
Oh, storage.
So we could get one of these, yeah.
It's like a pantry.
Would that do? You want to keep looking? Kitchen. Let's get the kitchen done. Otherwise we run out of time and then you're going to go, oh, I've got work at 2. And then we're not seeing what we come for. Don't actually know if I was supposed to film in here, but nobody said anything. That's nice. I like that. You want a baby crib? What do you want that for? Why do you want a baby crib? For our baby? Okay. Not happening. Oh, she here. Oh my God. Kitchen, we're looking for kitchen. Come on, let's not. Kitchen. I'm starving as well. I'll tell you what, let's get the kitchen done. Let's go by. Where do you want blue sofa? You didn't like our sofa? Can't have blue and the green. Wouldn't go.
4,000.
Where would that go?
This 4,000 bed. Is this bed?
56,000.
56
if we're quick enough, we'll catch the kitchen and have some Swedish meatballs. Did your ex, did he make you eat Swedish meatballs?
Spaghetti.
Yeah, nice. Nice, yeah? Best thing to come out of Sweden, apart from the girls. Did I say that? Oh, God. Vain as it might sound, I quite fancy one of these just to put my aftershaves in. But I want a lockable one. I'll probably do a video on it at one point, but had a friend come back and stay for a couple of nights, and then noticed a couple of days later that she must have walked off with some of my aftershaves. So need to lock it away. We don't have a girlfriend now, of course. So. What are you looking at? What's that? So we see one kitchen and now we can't find any more. Green. Yeah. You like this? Look, no, look. So the thing that's going to come down the sides, it can either be one big door or it could be open like that. So the microwave can go on there. It's up to you. Or it could be half and half, or it could be all closed with one area open.
Please take care of your personal belongings while you shop. Thank you.
Okay, set my office stuff. I can't help looking at office stuff. Actually need another chair at some point.
Ano nila,
Sorry.
pinsang buo niya si Violet.
Kitchen. We can come here, innit? We can come back here though and have a good shot. I mean, look, if there's bits we need for the kitchen now, just pick them up. Do you want to have a look at dining set? No,
We already.
no.
Ah.
While we're here,
Okay.
we need one, yeah. I think black. I don't mind white. I don't even mind that green that's on the but we won't find that. But it has to be the same green as the window frames. Okay. You've gone past 2. Oh, you've gone past 2 already, black. Babes, come here. Filipino women, they just do their thing. You can't tell them what to do.
I saw 80 pesos
So look,
for the...
this is what we would do. We'd have this built in, built into the, you know?
I saw like 80 pesos.
Yeah. Let's get a few.
It's heavy.
That's what we want, yeah. Where we get them? All right. You look at plates. I'll find the cupboards. Don't moan if you don't like them. Yeah. I don't mind. How much?
80.
Yeah. We'll get the number. And we'll buy some
The
stuff.
model. The seller.
You might need help. They're probably out in an open area in boxes. They will be. I know where they'll be.
Tapos na end na tayo. End na dun eh. Ito na yun.
Do you know what? Looking at the price of just that, it's like 10k, which is what, 180 quid in English. I can probably get that built for 20 quid. plus materials. Nice, got the shelving, which we'll need. Yeah, take a picture, yeah, of the code. You need the code. And then we can find. Look. And let me show you that. We'll put, when we get the things, they have lights so that when you open, the light will come on inside. It's going to look, trust me on this, you're going to love your kitchen when I'm finished. And also, we have the option, you know, we can open up inside this work surface that we have. We can put drawers on the inside.
The one that
Yeah.
like Missy space, Missy
Yeah.
in the top.
Yeah, we can put cupboards inside, on the inside, for storage. Like for knives and forks and things. You'd be amazed at what we'll create. Babe? Ange? This is similar to what's on there now. We could just get them in black.
You just can paint the
No, I want new doors. I want new doors, modern. I don't like them doors. They're fit. They won't look as good. They won't get as glossed.
But it can paint glossy.
No, just buy. Modern.
It can be more than it can paint black. Great. How much that
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, so we're here. I mean, it might be grey, but
Display some.
it's green actually. Grey-green. Oh, yeah. Yeah, don't worry what colour it's at now. Oh, look. You can put them in there. We could get some of these. Do you want some of these in the maid's room? Seriously? Let me show you. You're not even looking. My God. Okay, we have a maid's room and that row would be perfect for us. To go above our washing machine. Do you want to buy this? Do you want to buy this for the maid's room? It can go above the sink. We could have it on one of these.
maid's room?
Yeah, then we
It has
can.
a lot of storage in maid's room. You don't need that.
No?
We need the kitchen. Maid's room is just.
Okay, let's go look at kitchens then. This is where you'll find the plates. And I want to find some invisible shelving, if you know what I mean, just He's taking off the rim of the kitchen today, so we can see what space we got.
Pero ngayon yung prevent mo sa tenant. Saan kasalanan na yung bago namin? Ay, yung dati ko, 2 years lang yung
Ah, here we go. Here's the door. This is it. This is what we need.
750.
Can you hold that and
Cheapest.
film? I need to get. It's filming, so don't just keep it.
Cheapest is 700 white
I mean that would do.
per door.
Measurements. Where's the measurement? Maybe just ask. Which one do you like? They all come in different colours, so.
Yeah, you can paint it naman, di ba?
We would need to buy it.
Artista yon. Ano pa? Ang cute naman ng washing machine na maliit na yun. Oh.
Keep on the camera, yeah? Let me just run across. I'm going to run across Chinese with. Let me just so I've got each one. This one is cheapest, but do you know what? I just want plain, so could be the one. Oh, here's some black I do. Oh, it's cheaper still. So that is pretty boring for you viewers. If you want to look around IKEA, just looking at what I need. But anyway, we'll see others. Okay, 16.50 and well, we probably spend about 12k, 13k on doors. But that, I mean,
What is the leg?
no, we get you can get them to order size.
Length? About
I'm pretty sure they come in different. And we can change the ones below that are there now for these. And then these will fit.
700. This one is only 700.
Yeah, I've already got that one. If they got that in black. I mean, that'd do. It's a push button. Doesn't
Can
look
paint that, di ba?
Yeah, but you don't need to. You can buy it in black.
How much is the black?
But it'll be the same as the white, I'd have thought.
1,650.
Just that they show one colour and
Why it's 1,650? This one is
different materials, probably. See that one there? That's 750. Okay, I'm done. I've got all I need. I will go home, price up what we need, and then I'll try and get a comparison and get it built for somewhere else. Should we get plates?
we tell the cashier.
Let's find the plates. Let's buy some plates while we're here. Yeah, but do you not want to see if there's other stuff that match? We're not finished looking yet. It's a big place.
Wala nang plates, no na. Yun lang.
Ask where the plates are.
Third floor, plate.
I don't know. Let's ask. Might as well get the plates while we're here now, yeah?
But where is the other plates?
We ask. There's a big room. There's a big hall with everything. Come on. If we can get done in the next 10 minutes, we've got time to eat. What is that?
For water.
Okay.
Want to go out?
Yung mga kapul.
Right, let's find these plates. We just asked someone, yeah?
Yeah. The third floor. We just showed them.
Hello, Paul.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking for plates. Plates.
Plates is in third floor, one
Third
level
floor.
down. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Paul. Yeah, third floor. Third floor. Okay, so I've seen all I need to do in the kitchen. I had an idea on price. Definitely get them actually made for you by a Filipino chippy, a lot cheaper. But then I ain't got to worry about the sizes here. So I don't know if they're standard fits or whether they come in different sizes.
Diba roller? So first,
Where are we going? We're walking around in circles.
30 pesos.
Third floor, third floor.
Go ba?
Need a good clock as well at some point. Just don't know where to go after the feature wall. Okay, we're looking for the third floor. Let's pick some plates up. I bought some plates on either Shopee or Lazada when I moved into my previous condo. And I had white walls and black furniture, and I was adding like red cushions, so I bought red plates. And I mean, they were pretty cheap. But when they arrived, they were plastic. Not used to getting plastic plates in the UK like that. And yeah, they're not very good. They crack easily, and food burns through the plastic. It's crazy. So they're ready to go in the bin now. But looking for replacements, which we should get now.
Sa website kahit
Are we going around in circles? I feel lost. Aha, hold on. I love this. I just haven't quite got room to have fitted changing room. I really want a fitted changing room. Look, that's me. That's me. You know I want that. I know. Oh, I want this. Okay. I need some planning. Where are you going? Where's third floor? We not go down lift? Upstairs. Okay. Right, get plates. Are you hungry? What do you've eaten? Nicole, you hungry? It's a big old lift there. How many plates do we need? How many plates do we get?
Third floor na.
Third floor?
Ay, hindi pa.
Oh, still four. How many plates do we need?
8, 6, 8.
Four. Four?
8. We have visitors. Coffee. Missy. Mama.
It's five.
Friends.
You have friends?
Do you have your real friends?
No.
Hey!
Oh, hangers. You want more hangers? You want big hangers? You said big hangers earlier.
I don't like without the gap here. It will fall down.
Okay. I don't like ones with the gap. Ah, here we go. Plates. Oh, lost already. So she's excited, she's off. That's a funny looking plate. You want an oven glove? You need an oven glove? If you need an oven glove, get an oven glove. Good for the getting out the air fryer, yeah?
And here.
Well, get one then. Get a black one. Get black.
Black, no black.
No black?
Just blue.
That's black. That's black.
It's great.
Come on. Do you not need an oven glove? No? Okay, I'm following you, but I don't know if you're the best person to follow. Alright, lost them. Probably a good thing. You find them?
Yeah, I saw it there. But I'm still looking.
You're Philippine. What does that mean? You like
Is
them?
it a little?
How much? Okay. They're dear. £7.50. Is this them? This one she likes? These? This is good. We buy a box set. Have they got one of these in black? We get two of these.
Grey. This one is grey, I think.
Yeah, we want black now. Stick to the plan.
The black one is here.
Can we not get a set like this in black?
That is only the display color. This is the one I saw.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, if you like. The big enough?
There.
Just grab 10.
2, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
You're showing YouTube you can count. Well done.
Wala kang ano nakbag. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do you want small ones as well?
Yeah.
How many?
4. Basket na. And bowl. Bowl.
Bowls? Yeah, nice some bowls. I've got a couple of black bowls, you know that. You seen them?
This one, like this.
Yeah, how many? 4? And what about big bowls? One couple?
2.
Let's go bowl mad. Anything else?
Oh, laki niya. Wala yung maliit na yellow. Wala yung yellow na Wala yung small lang?
Sorry. Here it is. Okay, we're done, yeah? Is there anything else we need? What about a cup? Any glasses? A black mug? Or... You okay driving?
No black. Lack of book.
We'll put some hooks up for cups if they match. Make a little display. What is that? Kettle?
It's metal, right?
What is it? Kettle?
No, it can be water.
We don't need.
It's metal, diba?
Yeah. Do we need?
Black.
I'm looking.
Black cup.
Yeah, no, isn't buy everything black just because it's black. Once the kitchen, when all the cabinets are done, we'll clear all our
What is this?
stuff away and then see what we need to make it look nice.
There's no
I want to look at shelves today, but I'm not going to bother. Let's just get the doors and that done and see what room we got. Measure everything up. Should we go? Or is it going to have time to eat? Happy? Can't believe they ain't got black cut. Oh yeah.
gray.
No, they're grey. Okay.
Maliit. Mas malaki mo.
That's a shame. We can get them anywhere though, can't we?
Oo, walang black na. Walang black.
Ayun na gray.
Ha? Kano ko yan?
Ano, ito ba?
Alright, let's get out of here so we can eat. Do you like Swedish meatballs? Yeah, let's get us some Swedish meatballs.
What is paper na?
Napkins.
Face?
Blow nose. White bum. Whatever you want.
Dapat dito na lang. Hindi mo na lang nilagay.
Can we go? I'm only saying that because we've got work in an hour and I want to eat. I really want to eat.
Where's the outside?
Back where we came. To the lifts.
Lift. Oh my God. Asan na yung lift na?
Look, if you follow the arrows the other way, takes us back to the start.
Dito ba? Where?
Arrows. Yeah.
The Biblia? Ah, okay.
Yeah. I wonder where I got that from. I must have bought mine in IKEA in England. Of course. There she goes.
If it's hot, di ba?
Okay. Yeah, I don't know where we got to pay.
Can pay
Swedish restaurant is. So we go four.
going out.
Come on. Okay. Okay, so I get in the lift. Do they to head to the restaurant or wait here? Will they find me? Good question. Okay, I've lost them, so I'll split this video into two. I'll take a quick one while we're checking out, show you the payment. Oh, they're back. Actually, I don't need to, they're back. Yeah, go restaurant. Yeah, I waste no time. Here. Swedish restaurant. Well, the restaurant's at this level. I don't know where you pay. I think you pay somewhere else. Oh, you paid?
No.
Oh, you got the bag.
You have to pay it now.
Oh yeah, let's have food and then we pay and go. So we're coming into the Swedish restaurant now. Ah. Leave on here, yeah? Leave on there.
Ikaw may-ari niya.
Look, leave here. Okay, so we're going into the Swedish restaurant. It's huge. You want to order from here? If any of you didn't know, Filipinos love their food. Angela this morning's already had a big plate of rice and chicken, and literally less than an hour ago. But hey, she's Filipino, she will devour another meal. I haven't even had a bit of toast yet. So, quite impressive setup here. That's good. So, if you've not experienced IKEA restaurant before, let me walk you through. You've got pretty much everything that they sell. Their own product here. I've come for the Swedish meatballs. 225 family offer. Organic pasta, pomodoro sauce, mushroom soup and bun. 225. Not bad. Sorry. I'm going to have coffee.
This is your coffee.
Yeah. Have you eaten here before?
Yes.
In this one?
Yes, of course.
Nicole? You eaten here before? Okay. Is it nice?
Plant-based burger food.
Should we eat plant food today?
Plant-based burger.
We're going to be healthy.
Ayaw mo yung plant-based burger straight? Let's check it out. Itong maliit. Mango. Dati wala yun.
What time is it now? I can't check now. 12:30?
Yeah.
Okay, we just got time.
Mango. Mango sa doon.
Carrot cake? Almond cake? No cake for me. Diet. I haven't workout yet, yeah. Okay, so they've gone straight to cake. What's that? What's that one?
No, wag na to, wag na to. Cake tayo.
Oh, it's like, that's carrot cake? Is that carrot cake?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm tempted. I'm tempted. No, I'm not.
Oh, diba?
Cherry? Cherry cheesecake, yeah? Nicole, you having one or is your mum having both?
Cherry.
Sharing is caring. Oh, sorry. Hello.
Parang same lang yan dun eh. Same.
Okay, this video is going to get so boring. We can't rush through. So busy. See. If you are happy to be watching this, maybe you want to skip a minute or two. Just to, or maybe if I learn how to edit, I can maybe fast forward this part. But yeah, that's my challenge. Learn how to fast forward the video. Or put it on ×3 or something, or ×10.
Yes, ma'am. Dalawa po.
Where's she gone? Where's she gone?
Chicken wings.
So, what's this? These the balls?
Yes po, next in line.
Meatballs po.
12 pieces. Anything else?
What do you want?
Same.
Dalawa po.
Two lots, please.
Ano yung sa'yo, ma'am? Ah,
Anything else?
ate.
2 lots of 12, yeah?
Burger
Dalawa
steak.
po nito, ma'am.
Opo. Ano yun, ate? What is that?
I don't know. It's nice.
Dalawang 12. Ano pang additional orders po?
Yeah, can I have potato?
Mashed potato, sir.
Yeah, with
Additional
the
mashed
meatballs, please.
It
You already have
comes with
meatballs.
Mashed potato, sir.
Okay. Does it come with vegetables?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. Next
What,
in
do you,
line, please.
where is she? Nicole, do you want spaghetti or vegetables or mash? The other one, can I have with spaghetti, please?
Sorry.
The other,
Spaghetti.
the other meatballs. Can we have?
It also comes with meatball pasta, sir. One meatball pasta.
Thank you. Can you help? Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm videoing. Aren't
Isang 17 pieces.
What you got here? What's this? What is that?
Potato.
What's that there?
Vegetable.
Oh, I want that. Can you get me one? I think I got the same plate, yeah? Can I have a spring roll? Yeah, okay.
Yung rice na lang. Yes, isang additional.
Oh my god. Oh, hold on. Okay, we nearly filled three trays. Let's go. Come on, let's go too mad, eh? You've already had breakfast. You had a plate of rice, chicken. That looks nice, though, yeah. Is there anything you've forgotten? Where do we get drinks?
Just same here.
Oh, that's the same. Just okay. Oh, so they got two sides. Do I have to pay here?
Yeah. Baka di natin maubos. If we not eat it all, need it.
You'll eat it all. Sorry. They got sashimi. They got sashimi somewhere. I didn't see sashimi. Too late, I'll wait. Oh, there's drinks here. Yeah. You know what I haven't bought? Oh my god. I haven't bought my wallet.
Cash. Only cash.
I haven't bought my wallet. Can you believe that? I literally haven't. It's on my desk. I've just realised.
Have cash.
Yeah?
Or
I
Gcash.
pay you back.
Or Gcash.
I can use, I was going to use my security bank, yeah.
They have.
But my wallet. Yeah, but my wallet's at home.
Ah, the security bank is there.
Yeah. I've got no cards on me. Shit. You paid, I send to you when I get back. Okay, I think I'm going to end this little video here. I guess we're going to eat. Sure, I don't share that with you. And then we're just going to check out and get back. So thank you for joining our little trip around IKEA. And if you're living here or moving here, you need some furniture, obviously Sweden's #1 place to go. And you can have some nice food as well. See you soon.